Gigi Moji, oh, Baba Gbadura, oh. Kaye mi dada, oh, Baba Gbadura, oh. Rolls Royce, no be made with Akura, oh. Plenty money, la fe, Baba Gbadura, oh. If na lion teeth, the money day. Not to carry dentist, follow body. My eyes on Zobo, believe me. Ghana must go dope, no be color money. I hear many talking about me, saying this VEC now wow. Lafiaji, they hot Lafiaji. Take it easy, but bro, man, wow. Many things I want to do, fam won't be me. If enemy like, make it on scam.
Established in 1954, Ekpe Grammar School Old Student Association is celebrating the Biennial Congress today, happening in Ekpe Grammar School itself. The event has the creme de la creme of the school from 1954 up until date, with the team looking giving back. Hello, my name is Damlola Aleje, and welcome to Echo Odd Blog, where we're going to be giving you everything that is going on from this event. Do not go anywhere, I will be right back.
highlighted about 5 or 6 ways here. Number 1, we can choose to join the chapter, the local chapter in our locality. You can revisit your campus. If you visit as you do today, not only necessarily coming into the hall directly, we can move around, see how certain changes have happened. And that can also inform us of what the next thing we can do for the college. So by coming together like this, it is not only helping the current students or helping the school itself, it is also helping ourselves. Finally, I appreciate the organizers of this program for the invitation extended to me for this purpose. I thank you and love you all. Thank you very much. Somebody was given the national award, MON. When this man was given this award and was told to respond, he simply said, Your Excellency, sir, in as much as I appreciate what you've done for me, I would find it more impressive if you can add the remaining EY. Instead of MON, please make it MONEY, money.
Thank you very much. As well. Thank you.
You went to present very, very, very well for the school. And when you watch that clip, you will be very, very happy to have these students as yours. We learned that the school, the state government is paying for the WAEC. but we are taking it upon ourselves that the next NECO exam that they are going to write, our set will pay for it.
Ekpe Grammar School Old Students Association, I'm glad to present to you this award of Leadership and Community Service Award. Thank you. That's a plaque. It goes with the certificate.
In recognition of your dedication, meritorious, beneficial, and selfless service to the association and our alma mater generally.
This presentation is being made to you by Ekpe Grammar School Old Student Association. So Otumba Kenya T.J. Abbas, as a merit and excellent award. Please, this is a special award for you. I present you this. I want to thank God for this special award. Anytime you're being recognized, it's always a very special feeling. Apparently, maybe in recognition of certain things that you have done right in the community. They said, you make a living by what you receive, and you make a life by what you give. They said, your candle loses nothing when it lights another candle. So that is why I feel so honored being here for this recognition. And I also want to commend the efforts of the Old Students Association, the president, and of course the members, for envisioning a society that is prosperous, for envisioning a society that develops through the spirit of altruism, through the spirit of giving back. So that is why today's theme is quite important. Looking back and giving back. Regardless of the level of status that you have, climbing the ladder of success, when you're able to look back and take people from the box of poverty and you pat them on the back and say, you know what, your future is going to be better. That is quite rewarding. So let's give the EGOSA members a big round of applause for what they have done. They say the task of nation building is a collaborative nature between the government and the citizen. Yes, the government has a larger role to play, but non-governmental organizations like EGOSA, they have more important role to play. And I just want to enjoin them to continue to do that. However, when I came in today, I was really disappointed. Hello? I was really disappointed with the turnout. This is Old Student Association, a school that came into existence in 1954. We are doing Old Students Association Congress, and we cannot fill up this place. It is not encouraging. Mr. President, I don't know what the reason is, but we need to be able to do more. You know, last week, they were all at a party. But when it comes to about giving back to the institution that shaped you, that made you who you are, we can find you. That is not so good. So on that note, let me round up. They said that we cannot save the entire world, but we can save one's life at a time. We can save the life of one student at a time. That is why it is incumbent upon every one of us to really work together, to dig deep, no matter how small it is, to make a difference in the life of all those students out there. So on that note, let me round up and I say thank you. May God bless you.
In recognition of her dedication, meritorious, beneficial, and selfless service to our association and to our alma mater in general, I have the privilege and the honor to present this certificate of merit and excellence to my dear sister, Mrs. Kemo. Congratulations, my sister. God bless you. And I have the
For the award that I was given, I want to appreciate the president. I want to appreciate the immediate past president, who happens to be Alhaji Otumba Adisa Osefa. And I appreciate all the ESCO members, the students, for taking it fit for me to have something. I say thank you to them.
The theme of today's event lecture, is giving back, looking back and giving back. Whatever one becomes in life today, without a sound secondary education, you cannot make it. It's like you want to put up a building. If the foundation of that building is not solid, no matter your dream, no matter plans you have to make the building beautiful, both inside and outside, the foundation is faulty, you cannot build something on nothing, they say. So my advice is that all alumnus, that is, people who graduated from any school or any institution, they should always look back and give back to that institution.
I think it's a step in the right direction that when people are recognized like this, they are encouraged to want to do more, for the community. I have tried over the years to put something back into the community. This is my town. This is my source. My two parents were from this place. I attended Ekpe Girls High School. So over the years, through an association that I belong to, Ekpe Professional Women Association, we have been working with women and children in this community, trying to empower the women and mentoring school children as well. Even students of this grammar school have benefited from one or two of our programs, and we will continue to work, towards the development of the community.
Anytime you receive an award, it's very gratifying. But when your peers, your community, they do recognize what you have done, it makes it more special. So I feel so highly honored that I am one of those people that was called upon to receive an award today. So I thank them for that. The task of building a nation is a collaborative venture between the government and the citizens, and of course non-governmental organizations. That's why I commend what they have done. It is not just up to the government to do that. It is incumbent upon all of us to collectively use our resources and complement the efforts of the government. For example, what they are doing here today needs to be commended. They are reaching out, telling these kids that, look, you know what? Your best, the future is yet to come. When you have the spirit of selflessness, it's always a very good one. So what they have been able to do today, they are launching a project, the toilet. They've provided, they are building some classrooms. They've provided books to the students. That is the beginning. If every one of us can really take a cue from that and look back and give the best that we can to our society. You see, they say your candle loses nothing when it lights the other. And they say that, look, it is not how much money that you have, It doesn't matter how much money you have, but the little that you have, be able to give makes a whole lot of difference. You make a living by what you receive, but you create a life, an abundant life, by what you give. So I want to commend them for what they have done. But this is just the beginning, and I'm sure they'll be able to do.
You know, in a big school like this, if you go back to the history of Ekpe Division, Ekpe Grammar School used to be Ekpe Divisional Grammar School, the pride of this division. And for them to be thinking of things like this is what anybody from this division and from Lagos State in general will want to be associated with. And they are creating much milestones in education sector and even in the social strata, because we have professors. I remember Professor Kunle Lawal, a professor emeritus from Ikorodu, who attended the Ekpe Grammar School.
I'm Chief Mrs. Iyabo Funmilelo Shifeso, MNI. First of all, I want to thank God, and I want to thank the organizers for deeming it fit to give me this award. If your efforts in a system is appreciated, it makes one happy. Even though I've retired from service, that this award is just coming, I really appreciate that my little contribution had been recognized.
The glory of Almighty God. And for the benefit of students of Ekpe Grammar School, I, Alade Saliu, National President of Egusa, do commission this project today, 23rd of March, 2019.
Ọ̀dẹ̀ alákọ̀ máa ṣiṣẹ́, olówó fẹ́ flex yo. No food for lazy man, pàdé double your work o. Anything wey you want to, you go get am if you work o. Wọ́n wá gbọ́ alágò ṣiṣẹ́ o, stop living fake life. Òróró no be true doy, pussycat no be tiger o. Monkey àtọ̀ sí chimpanzee. Work yo, but I no be for monkey o.
It has indeed been a fantastic time with the alumnus of Ekpe Grammar School. It has been amazing getting to meet with people who have graduated far back in the school and who have also graduated presently, and also the current students of the secondary school. Ekpe Grammar School Old Students Association is doing a whole lot to give back to the society, to give back to the school that made them, since that is basically what they started with. This is a cohort blog, and we've brought you all the juicy things that went down today at Ekpe Grammar School Millennial Congress 2019. From a cohort blog, I am Damlola Aleje. If you like this video, please remember to click the like button and definitely subscribe. Yes, that's what we want you to do. Subscribe to when next I see you. Bye.